Alright, this is one of those moments where the line between rumor and reality officially disappears. We're not talking about vague whispers, anonymous forum posts, or speculative renders anymore. This is solid, visual confirmation. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has stepped out of the shadows, and it did so in the most convincing way possible. A clear image of its actual retail box. No blur, no artistic mock-ups, no guessing games. Just a real box, sitting in a real logistics environment. And if you've followed DJI long enough, you know exactly what that means. DJI does not print finalized retail packaging unless a product is deep into its launch phase. By the time a box exists, the name is locked, the branding is finalized, accessories are decided, and pricing tiers are already mapped out. That's why this leak carries so much weight. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't a concept anymore. It's a finished product preparing to enter the market. Even more telling is the presence of creator combo labeling on the packaging. That alone confirms DJI has already planned how creators will actually use this camera. In short, the Pocket 4 is real, it's finalized, and its launch window is much closer than most people expected. Once the initial excitement settles, the leaked images start revealing something even more interesting. Intent. The Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't scream radical redesign, and that's exactly the point. At first glance, the silhouette feels familiar, but look closer and the refinements become obvious. The body appears slightly longer than the Pocket 3, and this isn't a random aesthetic choice. That added length likely serves multiple functional upgrades. Most notably a larger battery, improved internal cooling, and a more balanced grip during extended shooting sessions. These are not flashy upgrades, but they're incredibly meaningful. Longtime Pocket users have quietly complained about battery anxiety, thermal limitations, and hand fatigue during longer recordings. DJI seems to have listened. This feels like a camera designed for people who actually use it daily, not just for quick clips or spec comparisons. One of the biggest design changes shows up right on the front. Physical buttons. The leaked images clearly show two buttons positioned under the display, and this is a major shift in how DJI wants creators to interact with the Pocket 4. One button is widely believed to be a dedicated zoom or shortcut button, allowing smooth one-handed operation while walking or filming on the move. Anyone who has tried tapping a touchscreen mid-shot knows how disruptive that can be. The second button appears to be a customizable function key. This could allow instant access to gimbal recentering, quick mode switching, framing presets, or even user-defined shooting behaviors. The key takeaway here isn't features, it's flow. DJI is clearly trying to reduce friction between idea and execution, making the camera feel invisible while creators stay focused on the moment. Now let's talk about the much-discussed dual camera rumors. Earlier leaks hinted at something more dramatic, but based on the latest images, the Pocket 4 doesn't appear to feature a true dual imaging system, at least not yet. One realistic possibility is that a secondary sensor exists for enhanced subject tracking, depth awareness, or stabilization assistance rather than actual image capture. Another theory, and arguably the more exciting one, is that DJI is intentionally holding back. This could be strategic positioning for a future Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, separating refinement from raw imaging power. DJI has a long history of splitting product lines this way. One model perfects usability, while another pushes performance boundaries. If that's the case, the standard Pocket 4 is about reliability and polish, not spec flexing. Battery life is another area where the Pocket 4 looks set to deliver a meaningful upgrade. Leaks suggest a battery capacity increase to around 1,545 mAh, up from roughly 1,300 mAh on the Pocket 3. On paper, that's an 18 to 20% boost, but in real-world usage it translates to longer continuous recording, fewer interruptions, and far less anxiety when filming important moments. For vloggers, travelers, and documentary-style creators, this alone could be reason enough to upgrade. Stepping back, the bigger picture becomes clear. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't a lazy refresh or a stopgap release. It's a carefully thought-out evolution. DJI is strengthening the foundation of the Pocket lineup by prioritizing endurance, comfort, usability, and long session performance. This camera feels like it's designed for creators who rely on it as a tool, not just a toy. There's also an emotional layer to this release. DJI recently confirmed that official support for the original Osmo Pocket will end on February 5, 2026. After that date, firmware updates, repairs, and customer support will stop entirely. For many creators, that announcement felt like the end of an era. The original Osmo Pocket defined grab-and-go creativity, fast, simple, and always ready. You could pull it from your pocket and start filming in seconds, no setup required. As that chapter quietly closes, attention naturally shifts to what comes next, and all signs point directly to the Osmo Pocket 4. A newer leaked image, shared by the highly trusted source Quadrant News, gives us one of the clearest looks yet. It shows two compact gimbal cameras sitting casually on a table next to a takeaway coffee cup. No dramatic lighting, no staged environment, just a real moment. Someone testing DJI's next pocket camera during a coffee break. That authenticity is exactly why this leak feels so credible. From this angle, the Pocket 4 looks slimmer, more refined, and more confident than the Pocket 3. The two physical buttons under the display stand out again, confirming DJI's new control direction. The screen also appears slightly larger, hinting at better usability without sacrificing the iconic Pocket form factor. Internally, the camera is expected to build on the Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor, with video performance upgrades still being kept under wraps. And that mystery is part of what makes this leak so exciting. So now the question shifts from, is the Osmo Pocket 4 real? To, what kind of camera do we actually want it to be? DJI seems to be making a clear statement here. This isn't about chasing specs for headlines. It's about refining an already beloved product into something more dependable, more comfortable, and more creator-friendly. The Pocket 4 feels like a camera designed for real-world use. Long days, unpredictable moments, and creators who don't want to think about their gear while they're filming. At the same time, DJI may be intentionally leaving room for something bigger down the line. A Pocket 4 Pro with more aggressive imaging upgrades could still be on the horizon, and if that happens, this strategy suddenly makes a lot of sense. Now I want to hear from you. Would you rather have a refined, ultra-reliable Osmo Pocket 4 that nails the fundamentals perfectly? Or are you willing to wait for a more powerful Pocket 4 Pro with bigger sensor upgrades and advanced creative tools? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let everyone know which direction you choose, and tell us why.